The seal is attached to the top of the cylinder and seals it to the head valve. It prevents air from leaking past the valve into the cylinder. Over time, the seal can crack, which will cause air to leak into the cylinder and out the exhaust. Often the gun won't fire with a cracked seal. Replacing the seal is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the nail gun. Now watch me remove the cylinder. Now I can remove the old seal from the cylinder. And now install the new seal. I'll place the cage back over the cylinder and then press the seal into place. Then I'll reinstall the bumper and plate. As I install this assembly back into the gun, I need to make sure I install the driver with the opening at the bottom of the housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap. First the gasket, then I align the cap and secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to replace the seal in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.